Did you know that an Arduino Uno can run multiple tasks almost at the same time? In this video, I'll show you how to use FreeRTOS on Arduino Uno to create multitasking projects. We'll blink LEDs independently, read analog sensors, and learn how real embedded systems work. Hello everyone, welcome to Electro Hobbyist. On this channel, we learn electronics, programming, Arduino, ESP32, AI, and embedded systems in a practical way. Normally in Arduino, everything runs inside the loop function. The Arduino executes tasks one by one. First, maybe it reads a sensor, then it blinks an LED, then it checks a button. This works fine for simple projects. But what if we want many independent tasks running together? This is where FreeRTOS becomes useful. FreeRTOS is a tiny operating system for microcontrollers. It allows us to divide our program into multiple tasks. A scheduler rapidly switches between these tasks. Because switching is very fast, the tasks appear to run simultaneously. First, open the Arduino IDE. Go to Library Manager. Search for Arduino FreeRTOS. Then install the library. For this project, I connected several LEDs and one potentiometer. The LEDs will blink with different timings, and the potentiometer value will be displayed in the serial monitor. First, we include the FreeRTOS library. Now we create tasks. Each task is like an independent mini-program. The first parameter is the task function. The second parameter is the task name. Then we specify a stack size. And finally, the task priority. Higher priority tasks get more CPU attention. A task is simply a function with an infinite loop. Inside this loop, the task keeps running forever. This function is very important. Unlike normal delay, vtask delay allows other tasks to run. This is one of the key ideas in multitasking. You can see multiple LEDs blinking independently. At the same time, the potentiometer value is printed in the serial monitor. Even though the Arduino Uno has only one core, FreeRTOS rapidly switches between tasks. Arduino Uno can run FreeRTOS, but it has limited memory. So for advanced multitasking projects, boards like ESP32 are much more powerful. In the next video, we'll use FreeRTOS on ESP32. We'll create real multitasking projects with Wi-Fi and dual-core processing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next project.